If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on WISE versus PH. We will run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind.
Hi guys, good evening guys. So welcome to Wise Versus PH live trading here on our Facebook page and also in the YouTube channel. Please follow our YouTube channel. My commitment there, dapat talaga this year we'll have a lot of contents doon. But since sobrang busy to a lot of things din natin update. But yeah, that's a promise na kailangan natin yung i-update as soon as possible. So magandang gabi again. It's actually a sell-off last night. Grabe yung nangyari sa XPX and even the Nasdaq, no? Specifically, respectively. Grabe yung binagsak talaga niya. Yeah, expected naman na mangyayari siya. So, By the way, guys, so I've been actually Happy New Year ulit sa mga nanonood natin ngayon. It's our second live, no? It's the start of the year. The first one was last Monday, but supposedly yesterday we have a live supposedly, but yun nga, because of a lot of things are happening also here in Cebu. And kailangan may prioritize. It was delayed. So today and tomorrow we'll have another one. So allow me to share para yung mga tao baka hindi nila alam na meron no? Hindi nila na-expect. Baka, na lang, paki-share na lang. So magandang gabi again to all who are watching. Sana all may kuryente. Yeah, Sir Kelvin, also from Cebu. Yeah. Oo nga, medyo nagkakabayaran daw ngayon kung sino mauna magkuryente, no? Buti na lang, yung isa sa amin na kapitbahay namin is part of the, parang may kasama siya sa board ng mga directors, board of directors daw ng kuryente. Kaya nagkaroon ko na tsambahan na meron kami. Yan. Kaya ganda gabi din, Sir Hannibal, Sir Eve, Miss Eve, and Sir Lilio Texon. Yeah, please do share this also to the groups that you belong with, especially with the investing in the the market. And congratulations for those who did our shadow technique kanina. Grabe yung shadow technique na ginawa sa GBP. So hopefully meron din na dito. So even the Izanagi, later ipapakita natin yung mga trades ng Izanagi, but ang galing ng shadow technique. Sobrang ang lupit nun. So we actually this sport di pa to updated, no? Pero lakas eh. Yan, no? May bago pang open trades to. But ang kanina, ang lakas niya because kung titignan niyo yung closing nito, halos lahat ng pairs na kinuha ko, ilan to? 5. O, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yun, nag-profit lahat. Ang lupit, sobra. So, yan. So, abangan niyo yan sa ating launching ng iniisip ko nga kung ma-meeting namin siguro by next week, pwede tayo mag-conference or on the 22nd. Ma-updates natin what's gonna happen for this year, ano magiging bago. Isa yan, ang bago natin yan, of course, ang magiging bago natin is the shadow technique. How is it gonna launch? Pag-uusapan pa namin. Di kasi natin pwedeng i-automate. Okay, may nagtanong, pwede ba natin i-automate siya? Para kasi magko-compete siya kay Izanagi eh. Ang hindi maganda kasi kay shadow technique is grabe ka filter yung trades na i-open niya. Naglalag yung camera ko eh, no? Naglalag ba yung camera ko? Internet ko siguro, no? Naglalag ba yung camera ko? Pakit-check naman. Naglalag dun sa akin eh, no? Yan, i-automate niya. Gusto na yung shadow technique kasi is more into gusto niyang i-filter yung high probability trades. Pwede natin i-automate pero tarang naisip namin tedious, no? Tedious din. So, ang iniisip din namin is the user will have its own risk para hindi siya mag-compete pa Izanagi. Si Izanagi kasi automated na, no? Automated na. And the strategy that actually it's been using, the strategy ni Izanagi. Yun yung malapit doon. So, the shadow technique really from Izanagi. Kaya nga, Izanagi shadow siya. So, it wanted to get the high probability trades from Izanagi, then tailor fit into the users na no. So, yun yung maganda doon. So, pag nakita natin, oy, malapit na mag-reverse to, pasukin na natin manually. So, good thing about it, yung optimized port natin is still 100% win rate. Wala pa tong cut loss kahit isa. Kung titingnan nyo dyan, no, almost all greens so far, no? Yun yung siyang ganda dito. And another one there is it's 167% with only a drawdown of 12%. No? Ang ganda ng imagine mo nag 100% port ka pero yung nag-drawdown mo lang is 12%. So kasi kung titingnan mo dyan, usually pag chamba trades ang nangyayari. Before tayo magpunta sa crypto boring din kasi na crypto pababa lahat so wala kang gagawin. Mamaya natin review yung Quidpro. Ang point ko lang dito sa shadow technique kasi is like you have a very huge gain pero your drawdown mo lessen. 'Di ba usually nagkakaroon ka ng malaking drawdown if you risk a lot, 'di ba? And it's because of it's a very good strategy, it's a very good high win rate reward ratio. Almost a good, yung may lot size ko lang dyan guys. So 3, 4, 5, may 25 ako pag sure. Pero tingnan mo yung gains like ito, sabihin natin, itong 8, $53. Diba? Ilang minuto lang, 10 hours naman to. 10 hours naka-hold. isang araw. Pero may mga minuto. Kaya ito, minuto lang yan, no? Minuto, 7 hours. 1 day, 3 hours. So, it means to say, the shadow technique is a very high probability trade. Yun yung maganda kay shadow technique nito. Na-excited kami launch. Inisip lang namin. Kasi para nakita namin, sobrang premium nito, no? Kung titignan mo, very premium siya. Kasi sa totoo lang, studying, I'm willing to risk a lot of money here. Inino ko lang dito is, sige, start tayo $500 para makita natin kung is it gonna go todo ba to or whatever is gonna happen here. And I actually made a test from the last year. Last year ba to? Yeah, last year. Hopefully this is November 17. Nangyari dito, laki ng drawdown. Kasi bakit laki ng drawdown? What if itodo mo siya ng malaking lot size? Oh, it started with a bigger lot size here, which is Euro USD. Nag-start tayo 15 lot size. Then we reduce it at 10, then we actually optimize it at 5. So, kung titignan mo dito, maganda yung nangyayari sa kanya. Yung nga lang, dahil maliit yung capital nito, it started with $250. Malaki yung naging drawdown. Tapos malaki yung lot size. So, gawin natin, doubling nga natin sa 500. Para ma-test out din, ako personally, is if magsha-shadow technique ako, what would I feel? Diba? What would I feel? Ano magiging risk management ko as a user? Anong magiging psychological ko? Kasi mahirap kung demo account lang di ba? Walang emosyon. Gusto natin totoong pera. So, ito nangyari dito. I'm still using this one. January 5 was last one. So, it's actually gained this one from this one. So, pinipili ko ano yung trade nito. Pero pareho lang naman siya na trades. So, yun lang. Ngayon, titingnan natin. Sinasabay ko kayo, di ba? Sinasabay ko sa Telegram. Hopefully, it will sustain, no? Speaking of Izanagi, so before we go to the stock market, our automated robot that is wanted to sky high for this year, it's actually gain of 2%, di ba? Honestly, nakakatawa dito. This would give you, hindi pa to updated, no? Pero at least this is 2% na dapat eh. Pero who would give you 1 to 2% a week? Di ba? 1 to 2% a week. And imagine mo, if you have 1 million there, that 1 to 2% is like, how much is that already? So, kaya nga, sinusupervise ko itong naglagay ng million na kasama natin. Hindi akin to, no? Pero, tingnan natin ko updated na to. 51 minutes ago, tingnan natin, updated mo, January 5. Ayan, nakita mo kahit paano, nagda-profit siya per day. From 671, January 4, tumalon ng 702. Diba? 2.5 ang tinalon ng account niya, no? Capital nito, mga 20M. So 20M. 1 million. Isang client natin na may malaking, not really a client, but a Izanagi user. No? Izanagi user. So, nag-average siya ng 20,000 sa buwan. Tapos, ang settings nito, 500,000, 500,000. Ang nitong Izanagi client number 2 client ito, this is exactly 1 million pesos inilagay niya. As ito pala yung kanina, tama. Ito isa. Saan yung isa natin dito? Yan natin dito. Ito isa medyo high risk na 1 million niya. Same to, pera niya to. 2 million yung pera niya, nilagay niya sa isang high risk, isang low risk. Malupit dito kay sir, talagang malupit din yung account niya, tumatalon din ng pera no? Tingnan natin na. Pero din namin, tinlagay namin, sabi ko sir, hindi namin pwedeng high risk ng todo Basta magka-gains lang yan kasi mahirap na So, pero okay lang sa kanya kasi gains naman Who would give you like 20,000, 10,000 isang buwan to 20,000? Magaling, pangit pa yung market. So, ayan, kita mo, 50,000 na siya. Possibly, wala siyang ginagawa. Di ba? So, isa yun. Yun yung maganda doon sa nangyayari for this year. We have an automated and we have, of course, meron tayong magiging shadow technique that you can actually tailor fit according to your risk settings na gusto mo. Yan, isa na gagawin natin. So, nag-shadow pero same lot size, takot pa. Di ba? Yan din yun, nag-shadow pero same lot size. Now, nag-open ka ng shadow, same lot size, nung nilagay mo na ni Izanagi, nakakatawa lang. Pero dapat, yung strategy, i-optimize yan. What I'm gonna do for the shadow is, lalagyan natin yan lahat ng table. Makikita nyo lahat ng table. Pag naglagay ka ng ilang pairs, ito yung magiging shadow mo, ito yung re-risk mo na pera. Para alam mo kung kailan ka magka-cut. So, i-optimize natin. Para ready ka. Kasi mahirap, enter ka na lang enter. Alam mo dahil maganda yung strategy. enter ka na ng enter, tapos yun pala, hindi mo pala kaya psychologically. So, yun yung maganda doon. Gusto natin, begin with an end in mind pag nilagay natin yung strategy. So, pine-prepare ko pa yun. I'm very excited with that. So, I'm very excited with that, especially for everyone. Then, sabayan natin ng isang Happy New Year na port yun. No? Pasabayan natin. All right, let's go to the stock market right now. Let's go to the US market in general. Since this is one of our favorite market, no? I'm really aside from the volatility of the forex, ang gustong-gusto ko sa US market is the market itself, no? The market itself. There's a lot of opportunities, the companies, the CEOs, and all those stuff. That's why kahit masarap yung forex, di ko pa rin maiwan yung stock market in general. What's happening right now, if you actually noticed, okay, kung titingnan mo dyan on our chart on your screen, let me just pull it in here, like this, like that, yeah. Yan. Alright, naglalag ba ako? Hindi naman siguro. Ayun, hindi. Okay. So, if you notice, guys, we're still uptrend. That's one thing. That's a good thing. A very, very big red bar. Actually, that's not. I was expect, if you actually listen to me nung Monday, I'm telling you guys, I'm very bearish on the US market. That's why I put a small box there. I'm actually shorting it. Ngayon, naghahanap ako ng opportunity to short more because I'm expecting a huge drop around 5 to 10% from the top. So, around this one, 5% is gonna be here. This is my conservative na pwedeng ibagsak ng market. So, that's why if you're watching early right now, I want you to prepare. This is gonna last until February. I hope I'm wrong, but I've read a lot of articles, a lot of studies, a lot of statistics, no? Especially if you're part of the elite club. I-release natin yan next week or this week. Next week. Yung mga possible na mangyayari, no? Ano yung mga pwedeng maging catalyst at the same time? Ano ba sinabi ng historical statistics when it comes to this, no? But definitely, ito nangyari na, no? So, currently, kung titingnan dito ngayon, no, nagbumagsak na siya dyan. If this area will actually resist, we're actually gonna go down further. Down further, it will, pwede siya mag-create ng downtrend channel na. So, ngayon, chill pa tayo, looking for a short position. Baka i-shadow technique ko rin yung ano yun tayo. Honestly, yung Nasdaq ko na trade, kailan ba yun? I actually earned around 40,000 just recently because I shorted Tesla, itong trade na to. Profit na to lahat eh. This is all profit. And I shorted Nasdaq. So, I shorted Nasdaq. I put like a 5.5, 0.6 lot size. Last 3 days ago pa, hinihintay ko talaga yung huge drop na nangyari. Gumigising ako ng madaling araw just to check the port. And pagising ko kaninang madaling araw, yes, it actually did, no? Talagang bumagsak yan. Kaya pinost ko sa Telegram. I think may post it in Telegram as well. Sabi ko, wow! Instant! 40,000 isang araw. Yung malupit doon. Kaya mayroon lang akong trade call para maibigay sa inyo sa Elite Club. Yan. So, I'm actually expecting that to happen, especially on the whole part of January. Maraming mangyayari on this, especially with the Fed. No? They're trying to eat up what they actually give. It's a stimulus package. They might increase your interest rates, no? Interest rates, and if that happens, the market usually pullbacks talaga a lot because if credit is available, the market actually resists, no? Talagang bumababa yung market in general. So that's why expectan tayo na magkakaroon ng sell-off. And pinakita naman natin yan eh. So ni-release ko naman yan nung sa Elite Club natin, sa pakita ko sa inyo, no? Ito yung maganda guys, if you're part of the community wherein research is actually one of the best pwede nyo magawa. So, this is part ito. Tingnan natin, pakita ko sa inyo. So, i-release na natin yan, no? January 6, masyado maaga pa. Pero, I think sinabi ko to, binigay ko ba tong data na to libre? Hindi. Hindi ko maalala eh. Yeah, siguro, bigyan na natin sa public din. Pakita na natin sa public. But, ito, saan dito? Pakita natin sa public. Asan yung it's actually gave me a lot of conviction with this one eh. S1. Pahanapin natin nandito ha. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Hanapin natin. So, this one. Asan yung parang, ano na, ito, yan. Ito binigyan natin sa public, no? Ito yung binigyan natin sa public. That the Santa Claus rally usually ends around January 6. Eh, napaaga pa nga eh. Napaaga pa. So that's why you're really expecting a, a correction. That's one. So if you actually noticed, hanggang January 6, pwedeng mag-increase yung market. But after that, medyo usually nagko-correct, no? Kung titindi natin in general, if you actually been observant with the market, usually every January, may talagang Latin na sell off, but a correction. It's not a sell off eh. Where's the January last year? Ito. Kung titingnan mo dito, January is here, January there, yan, no? January 11, January 4, nagkakaroon ng correction isang buong linggo ang 11, no? This is 2021. 2020, this one. 2020 is February. Ito. Yun. Yan, January 20 nag-start. No? January 13. Pero kung tingnan mo, nag-end doon, nagbagsak. If you actually go back to 2019, it's same. Yan, no? Kita nyo, 19. May correction talaga ng buwan na to. It's because overextended kasi yung market eh. Overextended yung market, and this is what actually the data is telling you. No, that the market usually expands from November, fly. Then usually, once it's actually reached its point, in the past 20 years, 15 years alone, then it needs to take profit. No, it needs to take profit and corrects. Ang point lang dito, sino mauna mag-take profit? Di ba? Si ikaw o sila? Di ba? Or sino mag-short? Di ba? It's all about probability. It's about risk management kung paano mo siya gagawin. And if you're part of the elite club, there is a study na kailangan yung tingnan, and this is it. What we call, you can do your own research, but may tinatawag na recession low. May tinatawag nilang second year anniversary recession low. So after a recession, magbo-bottom yung market, mag-extend yung market because of the Fed stimulus package, stimulating the environment, stimulating the economy. Babawiin nila yan kasi kailangan, to protect the country from hyperinflation in general. So paano nila gagawin yung maraming bagay? Pwede can increase interest rates, they can increase the tax of the rich, ang daming pwedeng gawin, no? That actually can really make the market corrects, no? In general, psychologically, thus nagkakaroon ng sell-off. So based on the study that we actually provided on the Elite Club, very expected na mangyayari po yan. So, kaya, yun yung maganda sa Elite Club. We're actually, may pinag-aaralan ng club yan. So, aside from the benefits of the Elite Club that you can actually get trade calls, you can also learn what's in the market forecast coming from me. I am the one heading the studies and be provided with the team and giving you tools for your trading, for your research, for deep dive, anong mga companies dapat mong bilhin na pinag-aaralan mismo ni club itself. Ano ba yun? Katulad nito. Bibigyan ko pinakita ko naman na to sa inyo before. Pinireset ko sa inyo like yung Boston Sam Beer. Diba? Sam Boston Beer. Isa yan. And dami, like Alibaba. No? Bakit natin bibili ng Alibaba? Aside sa blue chip or general. No? So, maraming rason. So, let's go back to the market again. So, since magkakaroon ng sell-off, anong gagawin natin ngayon? So, it's 9:15 in the evening. After this one, we're gonna go to the crypto market. Then, check natin. Extend na natin to hanggang crypto market before mag-open. So, kung i-expect natin magkakaroon ng drop yan, so natin pwede tingnan. So, ang usually ginagawa natin dyan, guys, ititin natin from the weekly. Kasi kung nagbebentahan niya, titingnan natin saan pa to hindi tumatama at saan tayo bibili. Usually, weekly ako tumitingin eh. Para kita ko perspective ng mga big buyers. Yan ang tinitingnan ko. So, titingnan natin. Una, we can actually try to buy at this point. Pwede tayo bumili dito. From the top, around 5% expected, no? MA20 from the top. So, pwede tayo mag-start mamili dito. initial buy natin for our long-term investing or swing trade. The one thing that I'm actually expecting, this is not a financial advice, but this is my personal opinion. We haven't touched the weekly chart. We haven't touched the MA50. Ulitin ko ho. We haven't touched the MA50 in the past 2 years. So overextended na siya, hindi niya tinatamaan ng past 20. And even actually some of the tara natin dito. Yan. Some of the US market are actually using EMA30 as their intermediate moving average. So kung titingnan mo, hindi naman siya ayan MA30. So ang tinitingnan natin dito is ito, mga bibilin MA30 or MA50. So dyan yung mga pwede akong mamili. I'm preparing for that. Nagli-liquidate na rin ako dahan-dahan and nagsa-start mag-short. So, may mga binili ako ngayon. So, ang plano ko kasi this year is 50% chill out, 50% of my port is gonna go aggressive like yung ginagawa nating na live trading sa inyo, no? 120, 150, the rest times 1 yung ginagawa ko para nagpe-prepare na ako for ganun. So, para medyo chill out. Kasi lumaki na yung capital eh. So, from 1.5, it actually turned out to 6,000. From 6,000, I ended up 10,000 this year. So, tumubo siya ng 4,000. So, kung i-increase ko pa siya ng i-increase, baka masyadong high risk na for the port. So, kailangan ko i-reduce yung risk para mag-consistent. Sayang pera eh, kung i-risk ko lang, no? So, yun isa kong strategy na gagawin. So, mag-aabang ako ng mga buying opportunities or aggressive selling katulad nung ginawa ko last night. Isang last night. Actually, I'm down. Madami na akong talo. Ito, down ako dito. May mga down. This is what I actually did. But kung titingnan mo yung profit niya, medyo break-even pa ako. Kasi may mga short din ako kagabi. May buy ako kagabi na bumagsak katulad nito. Nakakainis nga eh. Katulad dito. Yan. Nakakabalas to eh. No? Sabi ko, uy! Retest of the support. Sabi ko. Diba, hinihintay natin to if you remember. No? First support. Binounce trade natin. Nag-gain ng mga 26%. Sabi natin, abangan natin to dito. Second support. Bumili ako kahapon dyan. Sabi ko, low volatility. Ako naghintay ng confirmation candle. Pinasa ko kagad. Ayun. Nakakatasan ako. Sakit. Anyway, napalayo ako doon. Pero that's the reason why na medyo bumagsak din yung port ko. Pero at least binabawi. So ngayon ito, free asset na to. 10 lang natin. And the rest are red. Katulad sa inyo. Okay, so let's go back to US, yung Nasdaq. Okay. Si Nasdaq right now, sinasalo ni 100. Kaya inalis ko lahat ng Shinado Technico dito. I'm actually rooting, if you wanted to short with me, actually, pinaghihintay ko pa to, is mag-short ulit ako, pero gusto ko dito na area na. 1,590, kung umangat man siya, mag-bounce man siya na a few days, mga 1 to 2%. Mag-short ulit ako, mag-start ako mag-short hanggang moving average 20. Yan ang tinitingnan ko kasi nga medyo bearish ako sa market. That's my opinion. So mag-short ako na mag-short. Nag-short ako dito eh. Dito kuha ko tong pinakatuktok. Kaya 20,000 pesos yung kinita ko dito. From here to there, nakuha ko yun. Kaya maganda siya nangyari. So I'm actually rooting to short again midpoint here. So hintay ko lang ito mag-bounce. Oversold na kasi siya in general. Even the 4-hour chart, nagkakaroon ng major support dito in general. So, now, the question is, mamimili ka ba ngayon? Medyo delikado mamili eh. Pwede kasi, ito yung play natin tonight. I-on natin if you're part of the masterclass, i-on natin lahat ng Chidori. Kasi pag may bumagsak dyan, at least 1 to 2% from the opening, kunin na natin. Pwede natin i-bounce trade kasi especially for the tech stocks, nasa support level. So, pwede tayo maging aggressive on that point in the next 5 days. So, 5 days from now is around this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hanggang next week. Kasi possible yan magkaroon ng sideways dito hanggang dun sa taas, hanggang mag-retest the area na ito. Dun yan ulit bumagsak. So, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari sa makakatalis. But as of the moment, nasa support siya. So, mas probability na sa mga buying point and may malakas na sell-off pa rin. So, more into the bounce trade ang play ngayon. So, long term, for tech stocks, panin natin yung 1-week chart. I don't recommend to buy long term for tech stocks kasi kung titingnan mo basag na yung momentum. Okay, kung titingnan mo tayo historically din, the MA20 is this the MA20 ba? I don't think no, wait lang. 20. 30 pala, 30. Ayan. So 20 pala siya ngayon. MA20, ngayon siya. So ngayon na MA20, laki ng volume sa weekly chart. Nasa support pala ng MA20. So same lang to. We haven't touched the MA50 in general or MA35. MA30 ginagamit kasi sa US nila na moving average yun. Hindi pa natin na-check. So baka magkaroon to ng downtrend line pababa, papunta doon. So isa yan sa mga personal opinion ko lang din, but hopefully the market will react the same or different from what I want. Pero from what I'm seeing, nasa support pa siya ngayon. So more into the bounce trade na mangyayari ngayon. So titingnan natin ngayon, as we go further, isa natin gawin is to check the sectors. What we can check sector. Tingnan natin sino nag-pull ng todo-todo. Yan, tingnan natin. Okay, payment sent. Thank you. Yan, okay. Tingnan natin ang tech stocks from the moving average. I like turning on the moving average. Yan, go. Okay, Migo. Yan, copy pa ako. Shoutout din sa'yo dyan, Gian. Okay, kung titignan mo, ang laki ng binagsak ng technology. Expected naman din yun talaga. So, we're actually rooting for a support around this level here. If that happens for the technology, we can definitely buy the technology stock. For healthcare sector, tingnan natin healthcare sector here, July. Ayan, it's actually trading below our move SPX 500 na. Trading below MA50 as well. And trading below, so medyo nasa support siya ngayon, but hindi ganun kalakasan. Yun ang hindi kagandahan nito. Discretionary, tingnan natin ang consumer discretionary. Discretionary is actually at the support. So maybe we can consider looking for a bounce trade on the discretionary. Kung may makita kayo later, please comment on the chat box para makita natin later. Industrial as well, ito medyo malakas. Medyo na momentum to. So dito pa rin ako maghahanap. Mas maganda kung may makita tayong Chidori dito na nag-emotional sell-off. Material sector, it's also the same. Material sector is actually doing good. Kung titignan mo, medyo flat pa yung material sector and hindi ganun kalakas ang binaba. So possible the material sector is carrying the whole index to the upside. Kaya nagkakaroon ng green ngayon. For financial markets, actually hit the resistance. Very, very expected to do that for the financial sector. So possible this is gonna go sideways for the financial sector. So maybe around this point. If that happens, we can actually look for financial sector. Not gonna use utilities. Staples, yeah. Actually, this is an indication that really people wanted to go to the sure part, which is dividends. Kaya nahuli tayo dito, nahuli tayong posisyon, medyo matataas na yung presyo nila. Kung titignan mo dito, nasa tuktok na yung mga pang-dividend stocks. Kung nakita natin to prior, actually nakita ko na to nung September pa. But since very aggressive kasi ako sa tech tsaka sa other parts like healthcare, dyan, hindi ko to pinansin. Kasi mabagal yung galaw mga 1%, 1.2%, less than 1%, so hindi masyado. But the dividend is very good, no? Kaya kung tingnan mo, sila yung nag-momentum ng todo. Are we going to buy now? Hindi masyado, I don't think so. Medyo late. Kung magkaroon ng retracement, siguro to na massive, pwede, around January. Pero for me, bebenta ko to ng around March. Kung bibili ako ng January, March, benta ko na yan. Kung bibili ako ng mga staples na companies. Energy. Okay, energy is actually holding on for energy stocks. Pero kung titingnan natin yan on the July natin here, which is very crucial. In fairness, nag-breakout pa siya. Okay. Medyo in fairness, nag-breakout pa siya. Ayan. Yan. Pero hanggang lang tayo, second week of January. So, hindi na ito pinapansin masyado. More into, kung nakita natin to, ayan, ganda sana guys. Kita natin to guys. Kung nakita natin breakout na yan, medyo pumusisyon tayo. Sayang. Last but not the least, is communication. Communication is malayo sa support. So, balikan natin, no? Ang mga nakikita ko malapit sa support is mga pang bounce trade. May makita tayo later. Sabay-sabay na natin. Gusto ko rin mag-bounce trade. May pera naman ako pang bili. Tingnan natin malapit sa support. Okay. Pwede staples, hanap tayo. Pwede tayo maghanap ng, ayoko ng utilities pala. Ayoko rin ng financials. Ayoko rin ito, masyado mataas na. Maybe at some point, industrial companies. Industrial companies na pwedeng ma-bounce trade kasi pinakamalapit na support siya. And discretionary, the stocks, discretionary stocks. If meron kayong makitang discretionary na pwede nating i-bounce trade, pwede natin yan. Ayan, nasa support na, ano. So, most likely, mas ito yung mag-bounce tonight. And the healthcare is also 1. Technology and also 3. So, kung may makita kayong pwedeng i-bounce from the discretionary, healthcare, and technology, pwede, and industrial. Position, momentum for energy, hindi ko kasi, usually kasi sinesell off yun talaga eh. Kaya hindi ako masyadong fan for that. Okay, let's turn on our Chidori technique. Okay, para may makita kayo later, yun ang unahin natin. But while we are actually waiting to go there, would like to invite everyone, for those who are watching, you wanted to learn about technical trading, historical or long-term investing, fundamentals in technicals, or especially in the US market, I would like to invite for the trading masterclass natin this coming January, or it's actually open na. Di ako naka-promote masyado din, no? But definitely maganda siya. So we have a lot of coaches to teach you as well, and every Saturday ako naman. Okay, let's go to the crypto. What's happening in crypto? Okay, nagkakabagsakan na rin ang crypto lahat. Kita nyo kasi correlated talaga siya, no? The crypto market is very correlated with the US market. At yung sinasabi ko, guys, if you actually kasama kayo nung Monday, sabi ko sa inyo, wag muna na tayong bumili itong support na to. Kasi kung nakikita natin, medyo momentum yung structure na nakikita natin. That's why sabi ko, wag muna tayong bumili kahit nag-support yung 45,000. Kasi ang nakikita ko talagang massive support ni Bitcoin ngayon is around 31 to 34 respectively. Yun lang nakikita kong malakas. 40,000 level is actually a good support as well. Pero itong level na to, hindi ko talaga binili eh. Kahit nag-continue mo, parang may fake base na binagawa siya, no? Sige, lagyan natin ng base yan, no? I-hold natin for 1 week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Tama, pag Monday, binagsak. So, yan. Kaya sabi natin, okay, structural-wise, medyo momentum yung tsura, huwag natin bilhin. If it's gonna go breakout, possible tayo mag-first buy. But it's trading below your MA50, MA200, everything seems bearish. So, no trade. No trade. No buy signal. And the trend line is also done. And actually, may retest na nangyari dito. And ang dami natin sinabi dito, no? Katagal pa daw, sabi ko dito, sell off. Ito pa yan, price manipulation. Yun ang nangyari. Buti na nakawala tayo lahat dyan before that happens. So, kaya if you're still buying the dips, okay, buy with discarte tayo, guys. Buy with discarte tayo. Huwag niyong saluhin yung basta lang sasalo. Mas better bumili na lang talaga ng mga very, very strong support. So, I'm telling you the strong supports right now. Possible around 40,000 level here. Or, okay, or dito. Okay. Ito yan, ha. February, March. Dito yan. Tingin ko dito. Around February, March, it will go here. Diyan ako mag-aabang. Diyan ako. I'm a trader, so hindi naman ako nagsasabi na hypocrite na I don't believe in crypto, but sa opportunity, di ba? So yan, dito. Bibili tayo dyan around Feb, March. Ang nakikita ko dito sa kanya. So, hintayin natin yan together. Or tingnan natin kung mag-hold tong 41 level. Tingnan natin kung mangyayari dito. So if it's Bitcoin's gonna go there, let's check the other coin as well. So we have 15 minutes to do that. One of my favorites is Ethereum as well. Ethereum seems falling and falling and falling like it did. No? I created this channel here. Okay, if you want to do a bounce trade, pwede naman to. Since nasa lower channel siya. But, yun nga lang, you're going against the trend. So, yung opportunity mo na hanggang dyan lang yan, o 10%, pwede naman, o 14%. Kung ang i-resist niya yung buong channel. Pag hindi, mas nakakatakot. So, yun lang yung problema dito kay Bitcoin, Ethereum. Ang maganda kay Ethereum, it's kung medyo maganda yung trend niya when it comes to the shorting part. Kung medyo healthy, hindi siya, kung titignan mo yan, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So, kung sasalin mo to, buy, medyo you can actually sell at this area, respectively. So, yun yung maganda kay Ethereum. So, I'm very, very fan of this coin. Ito, siguro, malaking bali ako. Where is my major support here? Major support. No, not this one. Ito, honestly, this is a bounce area. Kung gusto nyo bilhin to, pwede. Bounce area dito, supply area, demand area niya usually. Kung makikita nyo dyan. If you want to check, tingnan natin ang weekly chart kasi kailan ako po-position kay Ethereum. Possible here. Same with the stock market. I'm gonna wait for the MA50 retest. Doon ako kukuha. Doon ako kukuha sa MA50 retest ni Ethereum on a weekly chart. Maybe there. Pag malapit-lapit na siya doon, mag-buy order na ako. So, same lang about Feb March. Mag-aabang na ako dyan. Why? Elite Club. Okay. Join Elite Club. Bakit Feb March? Alright. So, join Elite Club. I'll give you some statistics kung bakit. Okay? I-explain ko sa inyong magigi. Bakit Feb March ako bibili dito. So, pinag-aralan din natin siya. Alright. So, ADA USD. Honestly, si ADA USD, naka-position ako initially isa. Kasi pinakauna siya halos nag-bottom and malakas na support siya recently. Yan, may position ako isa dito na ipit. Ayan ang reason ko kung ba't bumili. Ayan, all-time high. Malapit na sa MA200. Medyo buying range na yan. Okay, may... Tsaka volume na uubos na sa weekly chart. Oh. Kita nyo? Paubos na yung volume sa weekly chart ng sellers. And una siyang bumagsak kasi una din siya nag-rally. So, I think if fundamentals are gonna be right for ADA, maybe ADA will be the first to bounce if fundamentals are right. If the conditions of the fundamentals of ADA coin will be right. Maybe I'm gonna be conservative further. I'm gonna buy at this bottom here. I'm gonna buy at this bottom here. Let me just put a horizontal trend line here. And then, lagyan natin to ng style na dashboard. Yan. Yan. Dito ako magbibili. Yan. Buy here, conservative. Yan. Yan ang plano ko dyan. Kasi bakit? Ayan, dyan malakas na support sa pinakailalim. So, nasa buying range sa ngayon. Nagsusupport lang to. If, honestly, pwede nga ngayon, guys. Hopefully, pwede nga ngayon. Sige nga, makaposisyon nga dito. Set order tayo. Set order tayo dito sa 4-hour chart. Pwede nga ngayon eh. Wala. Diba? Mga staking na lang na iwan. Inubos ko na. Staking. Natin. Set order tayo. Mga $500. Ayun. Tingnan natin kung mag-breakout dito. Pwede na dito siguro eh. O dito. Yan. 1.2318. 1.2318. Pwede nga ngayon eh. 1.2318. Aha. Ayan dito. Lagyan natin ng conservative na konti. May spread pa kasi eh. 1.2316. Ayan, 1.2316. Kasi 480. 400. Ayan, $400. 500. 1.2316. $500? Ano ba $500? Ilang percent siya? 3%. 1%. 3%. 3% lang. Magkano pera ko? 9,400. 9,500 times 3%. 285. 300. Yan. Yan. First buy. Okay. Kung nag-breakout, di okay. Pag hindi, di bye-bye. Alright. Tingnan natin kung mag-breakout siya doon sa area na yun. Alright, let's go to your Let's go to your stock request. Not really, the crypto request. Let's go first to Clay USDT. What's happening, Clay USDT? Okay, what's your play here? Clay USDT. Check natin ang chart ni Clay USDT. Okay, structure-wise, sideways. Okay, sideways here, sideways there, sideways everywhere. For our chart, let's basa natin indicators. Hmm, okay, same with that, with Ethereum. Same with ADA. Buy on the breakout. I would not buy this one even there's a signal of buying from the supports. Kasi baka mag-momentum lang at baka gawin lang yung ginawa ni Bitcoin. Umangat, then ibagsak. Kasi bearish siya in general sentiment. So if you want to buy this one, buy at this breakout here. Para sure ka na meron siyang kahit papanong buying opportunity. And kung titingnan mo din dyan sa kanya, itong area kasi na to, for this one, okay, medyo strong resistance range. No? Ang maganda dito, if you wanted to do further, ito na lang. Abangan mo na lang sa mga major support. Kasi bakit? Anong pwedeng mangyari dito? Sa tingin ko, magkaroon yan dyan, bilang bumagsak dito. Tapos dito magkaroon ng base, ng totoong base. Okay? Kasi structure niya, itsura, ganun yung ginawa niya before. Ganun yung ginagawa niya before. Mini-mirror lang niya ulit. No? And coming from the daily channel niya, may ibabagsak pa. So if you wanted to buy it, buy on the breakout on the 4-hour chart, same of what it did with ADA USD. So I hope that helps. Luna USD, Tetherus. Yan, okay. Oops, si Luna nasa oversold condition, nasa support condition, at si Luna ay nasa 46 RSI. Tingnan natin dito. Okay, you actually near the support on that trend line. You also have a support range here. You're also near at the MA50. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, same. Same lang itsura nito. Buy on the breakout here. Okay, buy on this breakout here. Pwede na kasi pangit ang pagkakaano niya eh. Here. Andito yung breakout natin. Ayan. So I would suggest to buy on that breakout here. 7798 set order to 7748 respectively. Bakit gusto natin? Kasi yung structure din niya bababa. So kung magkaroon yan ng resistance, hindi yan mag-breakout tapos hindi mag-support, baka gawin lang nito is dito lang yan kasi bagsak ng todo dito. Tapos dito siya mag-build ng totoong base. Since ito yung area na trend line niya. Ito yung area na major support niya. So if you're patient enough, buy on the breakout or buy at the support. If the support will actually confirm. So on the 4-hour chart, I can see possible that it's about possible to have a breakout, but pwede ito ang confirmation. No? On the daily chart, medyo baka mag-base. Sa tingin ko lang based on what I see, baka magkaroon to ng initial basing on the next few days. Mag-breakout, fake breakout, retest on the daily or mag-sideways going here. Mag-sideways going here. Usually nang ginagawa pag nagbe-base, nagsa-sideways dito. Ayan, hanggang tumapat ng trend line. So baka mangyayari yan kasi kung titingnan mo yung stochastics tsaka yung RSI, may babagsak pa pero hindi pa to tumutupi, di ba? Hindi pa gumagano, no? So possible mag-base dito price action wise. This one. So thoughts on Solana. Let's go to Solana. Thoughts on this Solana. Okay, technicals. Okay, for Solana, honestly, maganda yung sa Solana because nauna na siyang nag-support sa 0.5 Fibonacci extension. Nasa support na rin level siya initially. Structural wise, tingnan natin dito ang trend line na to. Strike through and then this one. Sorry. Yan. Oh, actually pattern na pattern. Okay, so Solana, 32, support base. Halos sa Solana, pwede pwede ka mag-test buy ito isa. Same lang itsura nila lahat eh. Oh. Nakita nyo pa pareho. So, dito will be your aggressive buy try area. A breakout on this area may be a good test buy here. Same lang na itsura niya kasi baka magkaroon lang yan ng dyan tapos bilang ibagsak dito. So, iangat niya dyan, mag-resist dito. So, ito bababa, mag-urong yan eh, gaganyan yan. Boom, ganun. So, gusto natin dito, i-breakout yan yung area na yan. Pag binibreakout yan, test buy tayo. Para may kasamang, may buyers na kasama ka. Hindi ka nag-iisa, di ba? At hindi ka nauuna. Ang maganda kasi dito, nasa support range na siya. Kung titingnan natin yung candlestick pattern ni Solana, medyo into the bearish pa ako. Okay, kasi it's actually, tingnan mo, papattern siya pababa. Hindi siya pataas. Price action wise price action. Candlestick anatomy. Yung story na pinapakita ng candlestick, pababa, hindi pataas. So they're pushing it further downwards. The way I see it, that's why I wanted to buy on a breakout or wait for an immediate support. So yung mga immediate support natin, itong range na to. Ito yan, hanggang dyan. Yan. Malakas na support. Lahaba eh. So yun yung isa natin nakikita kay Solana. Yan, okay? That's one. Alright, that's it. Thoughts on Solana? I hope that I answered this one. 096 HK. Alright. 0916 for China market. Is this the one? Power? Is this the one? You're trying to, capital.com 0916 888 yan. Ito nakita ko, this is a sideways market. This is not definitely a uptrend siya, but it's possible to go sideways. So, sa itsura niya, may babagsak pa. Dito ko siya abangan. So, hindi ko to kukunin dahil nakakita ko ng trend line. Yun, di ba? Ito mo, usually, tendency natin, uptrend, malapit na siya sa lower high. Pero kung titingnan mo dyan, nagsa-sideways market siya. In a huge sideways market. So, gusto natin i-retest to, magkaroon ng confirmation. I would not recommend to buy that MA100 at this point. Okay, at this point. Another indication ko dyan is look at your moving average 200 starting to go flat. Yan, isa din yan. So, nakikita ko dyan. So, definitely, hintayin natin to dito. Sideways market siya. Ang isa rin insight ko nga dito, baka distribution eh. Baka distribution, kaya don't talk about distribution, baka nag-sell off yung mga na position sa ilalim. Nagbebentahan sila dyan. So, if you wanted to catch that one, buy on the support level or buy the MA moving average 200. Tapos naman yung Sol USD, same lang yun no? So, wala na nga yun. So, Atom USD. Alright, so 5 minutes on the last crypto. Let's go to the stock market para makakita tayong opportunity to buy. Naka-on na ang aking Chidori technique. Mag-aabang na tayo. So, may mga scan kayo ng Chidori. Please send it to me. And pwede tayo mag-scanner on the next few minutes. So, last crypto natin. This one, resistance. I would go shorting on this one than buying. Abangan, if you're gonna buy, medyo... Honestly, kung bibili, MA20 ako kukuha. Ayan. So, MA20 ako kukuha. Yung ganyang direct market structure, for me, hindi siya sustainable. Hindi siya sustainable. Pwede siyang mag-sell off. Okay, kasi the environment is on a sell off. In your going momentum, baka mas bumagsak to. Baka ganun din kabilis ang bagsak. So, kung mag-hold yung MA20, possible to have a buy here on the MA20 with your price action support there. So, wag mo siya abangan ng momentum niya, no? Alright, so let's go to the stock market. Check natin. Again, so napansin natin kanina yung mga sector na sinabi ko. If you actually have a massive sell-off na nakita, please let me know. Maghahanap din ako sa Finbiz, mag-screen ako na nagbumagsak ng mga stocks on those script. I also wanted to earn, no? Kaya nagla-live tayo. Ang malapit dyan, nagsasalita ka pa abang nag-iisip. Okay, teka lang Nandun tayo dito. Oops, ayan na naman ang aking computer na naglalag. Yan. Okay, na naglalag na naman siya. Okay. Paki-type lag kung lag ako ha. Lag kasi talaga eh. Okay, check natin dito. It's actually an NVAX, XOM, pwede ba sell? Pag nagsisell ako guys, usually day trade. Hindi ako nag-hold ng matagal na sell. Day trade or 1 to 2 days, I'd rather buy long term than sell short ng matagal. Kasi mami-miss out mo yung mga magagandang companies. Ang na iniisip mo is shorting, shorting, shorting. Usually day trade pag short selling ang ginagawa ko. And nag-short sell ako, nasa tuktok yung market. Ngayon, mag-short ngayon, medyo alanganin to go shorting kasi nasa support na lahat. Almost. Okay, let's go to technicals. Let's go to oversold 30. I'm gonna check the fundamentals here, descriptive here. Nvidia, MTC, let's go there. Tingnan natin. Index, exchange, sector. Ano nga yung kaninang sector na gusto natin kaninang kunin? Pinakamalapit, consumer discretionary, no? Consumer discretionary, defensive, cyclical. Okay. Tingnan natin dito. BNB at BBBY. Okay. Lagyan natin ng current volume, volume of, relative volume of, ano ba dito maganda? Market cap siguro. Wag na lang. Ano ba dito maganda? Float. Over 5 EM. Over 500. Yan. Para mahin natin dito. Wala. Okay. But walang volume na 500. Under 500. Ganun nga ang nangyari. BBBY. Okay. Check natin. Check natin yung iba dito. Check lang isa ba? Baka may makita tayo. BBBY. Naglalag talaga ako. Anong nangyari dito? Okay, BBBY 50, 49, hindi na to kasama. Pabagsak pa siya, so hindi natin bibilin to. Pangit. Sige, pag may nakita kayo Chidori, please natin. So, NVAX yun. Unahin natin dito, mga to. NVAX, in fairness, as a support. $49 level, 26. Pwede to, price action buy. NVAX is a price action buy. Good find to, but ang gusto ko natin mangyari, pwede to NVAX. Price action lang, but less trade. Kumbaga parang, if your $100 nilalagay mo, $50 lang lagay mo. Pero pwede pwede to for NVAX for a trade. Ang ingatan mo lang dito because this is a double top. This is a double top. You are in the neckline. Pag bumagsak yan, malalim. No? So that's one good find. Pwede natin yan din yan. We have 6 minutes to decide kung bibili natin to sa NVAX. Nvidia. Tagalin ko na to. Mamaya natin. Gamitin natin Chidori's the chart. No, I would not buy this one. I would actually even short this one. Okay, than buy this one. So, no. This is not a buy for me despite na merong pre-market red. May konti pang, possible pa ibagsak yan. Meron pang unfilled gaps here. So, ito yung mga isang target ko for shorting. I-short ko to sa resistance. So, hindi ko to bibilin. Mas papunta siya sa sell-off than a buying. Okay? Tingnan mo yung ibang angat niya. Di ba? Nag-bounce siya ng todo pero ang bilis bumagsak. So, people are taking profit from that area. Okay. So, pabayaan lang natin yan. See, pabayaan lang natin siya. Okay, tingnan natin dito. Okay, 15 and 27 mRNA, pre-market this one. This is a Chidori entry. Okay, very good find din to. Chidori entry. Ito ang pre-market. So, I have NBAX and mRNA for a Chidori entry. Yan. Tingnan natin Yun naman, dalawa na yun. So, dalawa na yun. SPCE. SPC, downtrend na talaga to eh. SPCE, double top. Oh, grabe to. Double top na double top. Malalim yan, guys. So, baka bumagsak pa to ng bongga. So, kung bounce trade ang pag-uusapan, Huwag ka na kasing magbagsak dito, Brad. Yan. Okay. Okay, tanggalin natin yan. But 4 hour, mali. Okay. Weekly chart. Guys, gusto matutunan itong technique na apply kayo sa masterclass. Turo ko sa inyo to. This is an 80% win rate. 80% win rate technique. Kung nakita nyo, pinost ko to sa page. 90% yun kasi may 5% na hindi ko lang binibigay sa students. Pero the strategy itself is 80% to 85% win rate. Based on backtesting, 15 years. 12 years of backtesting data. This is the SPC. Most likely, SPC will go further here. Sa itsura, kung mag-bounce trade man yan, possible magkaroon ng SPC in a down. Kasi nagmo-momentum siya after the breakdown. And kaka-breakdown lang niya from the double top pattern. So, most likely, it will go further. Okay, or, if the market will actually hold and create a base on the current niya, pwede siya. Okay? TSM, there you go. Si Reginald, hopefully si Reginald is watching. May mga na-stock screener si Reginald. If meron, good. TSM, medyo tinapik ko yung PC ko dito because I've been buying TSM here. Binenta ko doon. TSM, I'm gonna buy pa. Bibili siguro ako tonight for TSM. Near the support range. Okay, near the support range, most likely I'm gonna buy this also. 1%, may dalawang bili. Ang gagawin ko, isang here, isang moving average 20, or here. Magpo-position ako isa ngayon, pero hindi ganun kalaki. Later tonight, no? Tingnan natin magiging price action, pero most likely, bibili talaga ako opening. So, yan, kita natin for TSM. Nagsisi ako kasi, binenta ko lahat, tapos bila umangat ng ganun, no? Yan. LSED, so nakita natin, mRNA Novax, bibili natin yan. Ito, Lucid Group. Lucid Group, medyo pabagsak to. Medyo pababa ang Lucid Group natin. Check natin dito. Ayan, ito kasi nag-support range. Tapos, gusto niyang basagin yung support eh. No? Gusto niyang basagin yung support. Tingnan natin. Kung magkaroon ng green candle today opening, if mag-close candle to ng around 3 a.m. ng green, medyo pwede tayong bumili. Pero kung ganyan itsura pa niya, hindi pa, may babagsak pa kasi eh. May pabagsak pa siya eh. So, di ko muna siya kukunin kahit nasa support range. Layo pa niya sa mga major support. So, for Lucid. So, di ko siya, for me, this is not a buy pa. May babagsak pa siya. So, balikan natin, nakita natin, that's a good stock buy there. For no back, since nakita natin healthcare is also near the support, and mRNA is more probability high done in MOVAX sa itsura niya. And if you're gonna buy this one, hold it for 10 days. I'm gonna buy both. Okay, I'm gonna buy both for this one. Okay, hindi na natin itong opening. Tingnan natin si mRNA. Okay, mRNA close. Risk management 1 to 3%. 3% is 280. Okay. 95 times risk tayo ng 002. $002. $19, $40. Okay, sige. 120. Tingnan natin dito kung bumagsak pa to ng todo. 14% down. Okay. Yan na. Open ang market. Okay. Buy Moderna. Kasi gusto ko bumaba pa siya eh. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin dito. Moderna. Give me one good reason for you to buy you. Tingnan natin ang 15-minute chart. Okay. Alright. There you go. Novavax din as well. Parang gusto ko na itong bilhin eh. Bilhin tayo dito nito. 120 siguro. 250. $251 to $100, 120 divided by 9.5 times 100. That's 1%. Malaki. 120, 60. Position siguro ako isa dito. Dito tayo kukuha. Dito tayo kukuha kay no Nbox. So ayoko mag-risk ng 1% dito eh. Dito tayo sa support. Buwagsak to ng konti. Sakto ang 1% na down. Gusto natin mga 2% further eh. From the opening position. Late na kasi tayo nakakita ng market eh. Open na siya pero hindi nag-ano, no? Buang na box. Dalawang buy na to sa natin dito. TCL. Wait ah. Balik natin kay mRNA kasi mas maganda yung kay mRNA eh. Mas maganda position ni mRNA. Mas pabor siya sa technicals natin. Hindi lang natin na pre-order eh. Sayang no. 50. Dito tayo kuha. Dito. Yan sa pinaka-tuktok. Yun. 15 minutes. Yan. Tingnan natin 2% from the closing. Ayan. 1% is here. Pwede na to. Magkano i-release ko dito? Yun hindi ko makuha eh. Kung mag-release ako ng $70, this is divided by 9.5 times 100. 0.7%. $90 risk. $90 is 180. 180, 90, $90 na tayo. Okay. 90. 80. Dalawang bili. Isang 5. Tsaka isang... Ay, sayang. Na-quote na siya. Pwede na yung sa akin eh. Tsaka isang 2110.67. Dalawang bili gagawin ko dito. Tingnan natin dito. Ayan, mumangat na siya, no? Ganda yung... Sino nung pick nito? Si Kevin. Kevin and si Kevin and si ano. So, thank you for this one. Buti nakita mo to. Yan. Ito. Yan. Okay, here. Dito tayo. Yan. Okay. Specific tayo. Specific price. 2% down. Yan. Umangat na siya. Nagkakaroon na nga ng kandila. 209.99. 209.99. 209. Another $90 here. 209.99. I'm gonna buy 2. I'm using the Chidori technique there. 1 I buy on the open. Okay, bumili tayo isa. Kasi nag 1% down na siya pero inangat ng todo. We're gonna buy another one pag bumagsak siya na at least 2%. And hold it for 10 days. Yan ang gagawin natin dito. Pero initially, okay na ako dyan sa $80. Kasi if it's gonna cut loss around, this is my risk management perspective kasi pag pangit yung market, I don't want to be aggressive. If I'm gonna lose $40, that's around 0.4. Pag dalawang $0.4, $80, 0.8. At least less than 1% yung talo ko lang on my port. Ito yung maganda dyan, risk management perspective, yung TP area, hindi ko na tinitingnan. Muna. Tinitingnan ko yung risk ko. So, initially TP nito around here, 10% up. Initial TP, around 10% up. Yan. So, parameters natin dito. Ito, nakita na natin. No? We all know that Chidori technique is a very, very high probability trade. EVAX is also a candidate, but more into the price action perspective. I'm gonna buy this as well, but hindi tayo magmamadali. Tingnan natin dito sa 15-minute chart. Pag nag-breakout to, bibilin ko to. Pag hindi siya nag-breakout, dito ako bibili. Sayang, tinamaan niya yung buy ko, no? Okay, iangat mo. Pag inangat mo, bibilin kita. Pag hindi, wag na. Ayan, ito nga. Sayang, tinamaan na niya yung bilin na. Kita nyo? Tinamaan na niya yung buy range natin kanina. Nahuli lang tayo ng konti. Pero okay lang. Breakout na. Bilhin na tayo. So, I'm gonna full buy for Novavax. Kasabay kayo, salarin nyo na yun. Okay. Novavax buy. Times 2 lang to, so $300. Bakit wala kang times 5? Wala kang times 5. Weird. Okay. 180, 180 plus 180, 180, 360. Ayun, umangat na siya. Nag-breakout na. Alright, let's do that. Ayan, so thank you. Sino mga naganin nito? Nino and si Emma Kevin. You're on the right sector. We're on the right stock. We use the Chidori, bounce trade, and then we're gonna take profit on that. Okay, FTCH, Leonilo. Check natin dito. Hindi ko nakita tong Farfetch mo. Yan, si Leonilo din. Tingnan natin. O baka nag-scan din sa Sir Leonilo ng Chidori. Uy, ganda rin ito ah. All-time low. 48, hindi na siya Chidori. Hindi na rin to Chidori. Wala na to. Medyo... Pero pwede. Demand zone rule. No, the closest one. All right, I'm gonna teach you one price action. The closest one, the closest one demand zone is the most powerful one. But usually hanggang dyan lang. Kung bibili mo to ngayon, pwede na rin, pwede siya ngayon test buy. Price action ka na lang sa 15-minute chart. I can see a buy opportunity as well on the 15-minute chart. What we want to happen here is magkaroon siya dito ng retrace, then angat. So, makikita natin yan sa 5 minutes. Ayan. So, ang price action nito, wala. Wala talaga siyang price action. 20. Ayan. So, magkaroon siya ng retrace dito. Range na to. Then, saka mo bilhin. Para sure. Ayan. If bibili mo yan isa pang angat, tingnan mo na lang yung rase na kahit gitna. Huwag yung oversold. Baka bumaba, pag umangat pa siya ng todo. Hintayin mo lang mag-retrace. Pag nag-retrace, nagkaroon ka rase, bilhin mo. Pero it's a good also. Technology naman din siya na malapit-lapit na for a bounce trade. Sige, FAFE. Alam mo ba't gusto kong bilhin yung, ba't binili ko kagad yung, ito yung idea ko din, no? I've been telling this everyone as well. For pharma companies, always buy them on the support level, not on the momentum. Kasi usually, they mean revert. They usually go mean revert. Unlike with PFE, momentum pa to eh. Hindi ko bibilin. Hindi ko siya bibilin. For PFE, I would not buy this one. It actually tendency pwede pa siyang bumagsak and wala siyang strong support levels. Strong support level is here. So, hindi ko siya bibilin. Tingnan natin for this one, both of it. Ayun. So, mRNA, we're starting to go green. And Novavax is still red so far. Tesla is 144. Gonna check my Tesla there. Tesla bearish pa ako eh, kaya naka-short ako dito eh. Okay for Tesla. Let's go to ACN, CCL, Gold Barrick. Ang like Tesla, pwede ko nang benta isa eh. 400. Uy, laki naman pala, no? Value is 444. Pwede na rin, lagyan ko lang to ng sell. Alam niyo to guys, hopefully alam niyo to, no? Yung sell na on the green side para may sure money ka na. Dito naman, pwede ko i-risk tong 120. 323. Okay, pwede ko to i-risk tong 120. And 01. Ayan. So since ito free asset na siya, risk ko lang yung profit. Yan. Then, let's go there. Gold Barrick. Okay, for Gold Barrick, actually, Gold Barrick is until January to. For Gold Barrick. Tinipi ko na si Gold Barrick for now. Na near resistance na kasi si Gold Barrick. If Gold Barrick will actually break out further, maybe re-entry lang ulit ako. Pero I'm looking onto this further. I'm observing this. Okay, kung magkaroon yan ng dito na support or breakout, bibiling ko ulit si Gold Barrick. For now, observe muna for Gold Barrick. So, wala tayong munang gagawin this one. ACN from John Rosel Danios. And CCL. Yan, CCL. ACN had a massive drop-off. I don't like gap downs. I don't like buying gap downs. Especially kung hindi naman siya super gap down. Yeah, finil lang yung gap dito. Finil yung gap. Kung nakita natin to kanina prior, babili natin. Pero late na for me ngayon. 2% up. Kung bibili mo to, this is your risk reward. Benta ka ng 3%. Ang, yan. 1:1 ka lang. Pero kung nakita natin to prior kanina, medyo sinalo natin sa ilalim. Kasi kung nag-gap down siya dito, dito natin kukunin eh. Sa pinaka yan. Kasi dito niya kinlose yung gap. So, possible nakita natin, pwede natin bilhin kanina. Pero ngayon, 1:1, hindi ko na siya kukunin. I don't think this will sustain momentum. Baba. For Baba, ayan si Baba. Ayan si Baba. Gusto mo makita to sa 4-hour chart? Baba is definitely looking good. Baba is definitely looking good. Ang sarap no? If you're really part of the elite club. Been talking about this a lot of times already. For Baba, I will add further if this will break out. I will add further if this gonna go again down. So kung bibili siya dito, babagsak siya, I'm gonna add more. Okay, until I reach my gustong bilhin. Kung mag-breakout siya, bibili ulit ako for Baba. For now, okay pa yung position ko kay Baba eh. Nagbili na ako ng isa, meron pa ako isang port na kay pang Baba. Medyo okay pa ako kay Baba for now sa position ko. Meron pa ako isa doon, isa mga 50,000 doon sa kabila. I think it's already doing good for that one. Oh, yan for Baba. But definitely sa nakikita ko kay Baba, this is gonna fly high. This is gonna go up. This is gonna definitely go up. Good thing about Baba right now, it's breaking the MA20. So, ito yung malupit dyan, no? At flying shuriken technique, no? Flying shuriken technique almost close at the bar here on the 4-hour chart. Already crossover. So, that's a buying opportunity there. Meron na siyang buying opportunity mismo here yesterday. Yan, buying opportunity niya ni Baba. Using the flying shuriken technique. Flying shuriken, no? Flying Raging technique pala, no? Flying Raging from Elite Club. So, tingnan nyo yun. If you're an Elite member, nandun yun sa files nyo. Nandun yun sa files nyo sa Drive. Pata natin dito. Yan, tingnan natin. Cost. Okay, apply ka ng ano. Honestly, guys, just to give you a heads up, no? The Elite Club is 90% reinvesting all the Elite Clubs is 90% reinvesting all the proceeds. So, it means to say, yung mga natatanggap natin sa Elite Club, we're buying more information to support more information to the community. We're investing a lot of information. Kung yung ina-ask natin na pera dyan, hindi ko naman kakayaman yun eh. Yung point ko dyan is, we're using that cumulative to pay the admin, to pay the research, and all those stuff, the expenses, to support more information and spread to the community. Na parang pinaghahatian lang natin yun. Yun yung maganda doon. Tapos mag meron tayong opportunity, bilhin natin, tapos spread out, hati-hati tayo. Parang ganun, no? Yan. So, yun yung maganda kay Elite Club. 90% reinvesting. So, 10% na napupunta sa kumpanya doon. Ayan. Okay. Let's go to the... Kaya apply kayo dyan. Daming benefits sa Elite Club, Diyos ko. Morning Star pa lang. Magkano yung Morning Star? The Morning Star is 3,000 pesos isang buwan. Binibigay kay Elite Club lang libre. Para kang nag-subscribe sa Morning Star tapos 800 pesos ang binabayad mo. Saan yun? Nawala. Yun. Costco. From Julian Yu. Check natin yan si Costco. Malapit na to si Baba. Sobrang lapit na ni Baba. I'm definitely ang lupit niya ni Baba. Yan. So, for Elite members, don't annotate you guys, ha? Ang tama dito. Ayan, trading techniques tayo nilalagay dito. So, yan. Ano yan? I-utilize nyo dyan. Nakikita ko kay Baba na buy signal siya ngayon. Kay Baba. So, tingnan nyo dyan. And also, ito. Ayan. Ito is, yun to. I-check nyo to from time to time. Kasi this is based on 15-year statistics. Naka-average yan per sector. And may probability wins ka na. The higher the probability wins, the higher you can actually profit. No? Maganda dyan. So, definitely, try to scrutinize this one. Pang trading talaga siya. Yan, okay? Alright, there you go. Sige, tingnan natin. Okay, for yan. So, let's go to Costco. Costco, yan. Oh, Costco. Sigurado ko to, lumipad na to eh. Oh, sabi na, lumipad na eh. Mga dividend plays kasi dito eh. Eto, tingnan lang natin to guys, mag mean revert kahit dito man lang na area. Dito natin kunin or kahit moving average 50, let's check the 50 moving average. Kunin natin yan sa baba. Pag nakita natin yan sa baba, doon natin kunin. Pero for now, this is very high at some already. Highly recommended yung guys. Oh, yan. Si Sir Future 101 na nagsabi. One of the Philippine natin na kapamilya dito sa kapamilya no. Yan, siya nasabi also one of the natin subscriber yearly. PayPal. Ito si PayPal, naghahanap ako ng position dito. Gustong-gusto ko to kasi ito yung nakikita ko yung PayPal oh. Pag nag-breakout to si PayPal, guys, instant tayo 14%. Okay, kung makuha natin sa support, kunin natin. It's actually gaining momentum. Tingnan natin sa 4-hour chart. Pwede tayo mag-set order. Pwede tayo mag-set order dito. For PayPal. Dito. Yan. Kasi yung overbox natin. Tsaka mRNA starting to go green. Ayan. So, pwede tayo mag-set order dito. Breakout here. Set order nyo dyan. Kung makalimutan nyo, at least dito sure na yan. Okay, pag nag-breakout yan, kahit nga dito, pwede na eh. Kay PayPal. For me kasi di ko pa siya, ayoko pa muna tingnan. Pero pag nag-breakout kasi ito, sure na yan na 14%. Automatic nakakangat yan dyan eh. May base na nangyayari dito. It's creating a base here. Ang problem na natin is if the base will support or not. Kaya gusto natin kunin the breakout. Ayaw natin kunin ng support kasi baka mag-support, baka bumagsak lalo. Pero so far, for me, malakas na yung support. 2 beses siya dyan. Ilang beses na yun. Kung bibili ka ngayon, di ko pa may recommend eh. Kahit ako, di naman ko bibili pa eh. Di ba? For PayPal. So, observe muna tayo kay PayPal. LTR. Alright, so hopefully mag-green na itong mga binili natin, especially for Nova Box and 8162432 and mRNA. Yan. PLTR. Buying opportunities. Sayang, pero kanina sana, no? PLTR is also a buy pala today. Tingnan natin kung mabili natin to. PLTR, pwede to ah. Grabe volatility ni PLTR ah. I liked it. I like the volatility. Tingnan natin ang opening closing. Pangit lang ang opening closing niya. Nag-low. Tingnan natin ang daily candlestick. Ang ayoko lang sa ipinakita ni PLTR is nag-close siya dito, nag-open siya dito. So, kailangan niya i-breakout to. Ayan yung mas maganda sana dito siya nag-open eh. Dito siya nag-open ilalim eh. Kaya medyo pangit yung PLTR ng itsura. Pero candidate to ah. Candidate si PLTR ngayon. Tingnan natin sa RSI level. May nakita tayong divergence na nangyayari. May nakita tayong bounce na nangyayari. Palayo lang, mahina. Pwede tayo mag-set order for PLTR. Kung makakita tayo ng breakout dito sa 30 minutes, tingnan natin here. Yan, here. 15 minutes. Nag-breakout na siya pero false breakout, no? Okay, check natin kung magkaroon to ng support ulit here. Pwede natin kunin. Or magkaroon ng breakout here today. Maganda na siya sa oversold condition. Tingnan natin kung magkakatotoo or not or magtutuloy-tuloy siya further. So, yun yung isa nating aabangan for PLTR. Ayan, ito na. Tingnan natin kung babalik siya doon or hindi. Tingnan natin sa 5 minutes. 4 minutes to go. Binirake down. Ayaw kunin. Buti na lang din natin kinuha. Ayun, binirake down. Ayan, yun yung pangit niya na itsura niya because yung tingnan natin kung mag-close to. Kung mag-close to ng green candle sa 5 minutes, pwede nating enteran. Kung hindi, wag na lang. Ang ayoko kasi sa sentiment nito, yung opening closing niya, hindi maganda. Okay, sa itsura niya from the red candle. So, possible this is a pause bottom. Possible this is a pause. Pero, for now, malalaman natin later. So, balikan mo ako. Or magkaroon tayo ng break. If magka-breakout to dito, kunin natin. Please shout me out, Sir John Paralejas, if magkaroon ng breakout dito. Around $17. Kung magkaroon ng breakout, bilhin natin. Ngayon, sa support is breaking down. So, further, it will retest around this area or going further or bumagsak pa more. So, wala tayong nakikita dyan. Okay, Alibaba is bumabagsak lalo. Yung short ko kay Tesla is going further. Disney is good. And BKAY. Tingnan ko yung BKAY ko. BKYI. Bakit ganun to? Open siya ng green pero hindi pa nag-green yung ano ko. Open na ba siya? 1% down. Ba't magkaiba sila nung trading view? Si trading view is 1% up, 3% up. Pero si eToro, negative 1. Weird, no? Alright, okay lang. Selling Tesla. Sige, check natin si GNRC. GNRC. Magkano ba? Buti 575 binabawi ni Tesla, no? Ano to? More into the bounce trade tayo, ah. Pwede. Ito ang good find, oh. Yan yung mga malulupit na estudyante natin. Oh, di ba? Price action na. Ito, aggressive tayo dito. Pwede na to. Ano ba to? Producer mo pa electrical products. Ano yung electrical products? Industrial to? Kent? Industrial ba to, Kent? Ay, meron na tayo sa ano. Bibiling ko na to. Galing nito, ah. Oh, malupit na yan. Wala ng volume. Meron tayo nakikita dito. Nasa sabang na support pa. Biling ko na. Mabilis lang. Oh, industrial, sakto. Ayan. Hold it for 10 days. Yeah. Ayan, kitang-kita naman na eh. 'Di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lagay nga tayo isa pang RSI dito. RSI 2. Hindi na pwede. Nakakainis naman to. Hindi na pwede. Tingnan natin sa dito. GNRC. Pinili ko na. Tingnan natin dito. Aggressive na ako sa mga ganyan. Pag nakikita ko yung all parameters are checked, bibiling ko na yan. Tanggalin natin to. Tanggalin natin yung RSI 2. Tapos nasa price action pa, no? Oh, yun ang mga masasarap. O, tayo yung RSI 2 natin, no? Negative 1. Nasa 1 na. Each time it went there, it's actually going up. Before, di ba? Ayan. Ayan, meron na. Nagpakitang gilas na eh, no? Every time it reach the RSI 2 at 1, it bounces off. O, ayan. Kompleto Ricardo. So, hold it for 10 days. Hold it for 10 days, guys. If you're gonna buy this one. And I'm gonna up to that. Okay, yan. So we're still red, but I'm confident with these companies. Especially kahit ganyan yan, confident tayo sa strategy. Basta may risk management lang. So meaning, kung mag-cut loss man to, I'm willing to lose $50 to GNRC. I'm willing to lose $60 also to Novavax. I'm willing to lose computedly $40 at mRNA. Also, naka-buy tayo pag bumagsak ng mRNA at 209 further. The strategy is working. Okay lang yan. Ayan. How much yung Elite Club? Honestly, Elite Club. Mura lang naman Elite Club eh. Ito, Elite Club. For Elite Club, what you will get is few things, no? You will get some strategies na pwede mong gamitin. magre-release tayo. Nag-release na ako. 90% trade calls, statistics in the US market. 90% win rate for trade calls Forex. Statistical historical chart ng stock market. O may statistics ka, may conviction ka. Kailan nagsisell off, kailan nagaganyan, kailan ka bibili ng month, kailan ka magbibenta. May report ka pa sa akin live. Monthly stock gainers, yun yan, yung meron kang pakita ko sa inyo na lang para sure, para makita nyo. Yan. Okay, ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Okay, yan. Pakita natin dito. Ayan. So ito, yan. Meron ka ditong by sector, meron ka ditong probability win range. This elite trading is 15-year statistics. That's one. Yan dito. Meron ka rin premium watch list na if you're gonna buy on a specific date, bebenta mo on a specific date for long-term investing. Meron ka ding daming benefits eh. Honestly, the cost of this one is around, to be honest, if ikaw lang bibili ito on your own, 15,000 to 20,000 information. To be honest, 15 to 20,000 or more. Okay, or more. Value investing, Morningstar credentials. Okay, and more. Hindi ko pa nailalagay lahat eh, no? Premium watch list here, dito. And some stuff dinadagdag pa kasi I'm using it eh. I'm using it, guys. For Forex, I'm using it. For stock market, I'm using it. That's why this port is definitely up from 1.5 to $10,000. Okay, it's red now. Hindi naman kasi yan, no? Hindi naman kasi yan always green, pero ang point dyan is kumikita yan. No? Pakita ko na ito. Kumikita yan. May cut loss, may hindi. Pero in the past 12 months is 50% gain. YTD is still 1% down. In the past 6 months, syempre 12 months. So ito start yan eh. Kung titingnan mo January last year, $6,000 yan. So ngayon, nasa 9,000. So kumita siya ng around $30,000 so far. Looking back another year, it's 1.5 siya. So nagko-cumulative because of those information. DICE is 12,000. Prof, yung U is 0 na RSI 2. Tingnan natin ng U. U, okay. Pwede rin ha. Pwede rin to. Galing mo maganap ha. Kaso lang, ang problem dito, trading below kasi na ano eh. Trading below moving average 200. So, same with GNRC. Trading below moving average 200. Pero price action wise, may action. Pwede itong actionan. Dito tayo kuha. Pababain pa natin konti. 2% further. Ay U. Yan natin si UD. Pwede tayo set order. Meron na kasi akong posisyon na isa eh. No, dito tayo pinakamalapit. Yan. 114.6. 114.6. Ano ba dito? Tingnan natin dito. 114.6. Yan. Tama ba to? Ano bang to? 113.09. Pwede tayo kumuha dito para at least meron tayong support range na bibaba. So, para sure. 113.09. Kahit mga $80. $80. Kahit 100 nga lang eh. 113.09. Pag bumagsak dyan, at least kahit pa paano, masaluman lang natin. Ayan. Pwede yan. Pero yun nga lang just to give you, kung may makita ka above 200, mas high probability for Chidori technique kung titingnan natin, no? Kasi ngayon mga bounce pa. If may makita ka, if meron wala. Silit ba magbabayad every month? 15? No, hindi. Hindi. Ibig sabihin, the real value. Pero the price here, hindi siya, the real value is, yung, kumbaga si Elite, nag-invest siya to give you information. Pero the value is just this one. Okay, yung 900 a month, momentum is 2 months, and then 1 year is this one. So, yung makukuha mong benefits nandun sa folder. And the value of the folder is around 15 to 20 or more in general. Yung value niya. No? Kung i-compute ko siya based on my expenses, more than that. More than that pa. Yan. No? So, check mo lang. I'm not joking dun RRTC. Okay, RRTC. 49 range. RRTC delikado pa eh. Baka kasi si RRTC ibalik dito. Ito, nakuha natin to pero si RRTC kasi problema ni RRTC baka ibalik dito. So hindi ko pa siya to, hindi ko nire-recommend pa to isaluhin kahit sa support. Kahit sa support, hindi ko nire-recommend kasi baka ibalik mo dito. So pag malapit-lapit na dito, saluhin na natin dito siya. May gap na iniwan no? BAP, hindi niya binalik, inangat, babalik yan dyan. So most likely babalik din si RRTC dito. So not recommending that one. Baka ang malupit dyan, baka mag-close tapos mag-open market ka pa doon. So isang malupit na part na doon. Okay, Humana. What's happening with Humana? 50 down, RSI is down. Okay, pwede rin to. Tapos na ba to? Hindi pa. GNRC. Click natin dito. Ano yung kanina? U. Pwede na rin talaga si U. Pwede na rin. Si Humana. Si Humana pwede Dami mga bounce trade Pero below 200 na rin kasi no? Price action tayo. Ano tayo price action here? Set order tayo. Ibagsak dito. Kunin natin. May emotional selling Mga bounce trades dito. Tingnan natin kung meron tayo dito. Uy, bagsak niya ako. Hindi. Wag na lang. Pero kung mag-initial position tayo dito, tingnan natin ng 15-minute chart. Dito siguro. Yan. Ito pwede. Ibagsak dito, pwede tayo. Baka ibagsak niya, 399.70. Saluhin natin. Pwede natin saluhin dito. Yan. 399.70. Yeah, magbibili din ako dyan. 399.70. 120 as well. Position size. Dami natin set order Okay, kung masaluman nandyan, okay lang din ako. Most likely, kung ibaba niya dyan, pwede. Pwede. Kasi sa daily, candidate naman siya for Chidori, pero 50% probability. Mga 60 to 70%. Hindi lang siya nabuo ng 20 kasi trading below 200 na. Pero price action pwede, mag-demand zone. To. Silit ba magbayad every month? Silit ba po ba magbabayad every month? 15? No, hindi. Kasama trade call o baba. Yung trade call mo, ikaw na bahala sa kapital. Pwede ka na ikaw na bahala sa kapital. Lalo na pag nirelease yung shadow technique. Pakita ko si shadow technique. Shadow technique, pag nirelease yung shadow technique, sasabayan mo lang yun. Baka nga isama pa to sa Elite Club Baka i-priority pa Elite Club dito. Pag-uusapan man namin ng mga kasama ko. $30 floating ako dito But definitely look at that that strategy. 167% from capital ko na $500 went as high as 1.3. So almost 200% 1 month. Ngayon, floating ko lang $30 and the drawdown lang dito is 12%. So baka binibigay din sa Elite Club so far ngayon, pinag-usapan lang hanggang wala pang siyang Alright. Review natin, tingnan natin yung mga kinuha natin. Tingnan natin. So GNRC still red, bumaba pati si Marne still red. Lobabox still red. Check natin, balik natin. Audit for 10 days na yan for me. Happy New Year, Three Kings Hood. Yes. Oo nga. Happy New Year din, Sir Axel. Okay, so most likely, tingnan natin yung mangyari dito kay Novavax. But definitely, I like the structure. I like what is actually telling me. Nga, bumaba na yung niya. Yung RSI. I like the structure, una. Kung mag-breakdown to, we will see. But I'm gonna hold it at least 5 to 7 days. Maximum 10 days. Kaya kung bibili ka dyan, dapat computed mo yung willing to risk mo. risk management perspective, no? So mean to say, kung bibili ka ng mga Chi3, alam mo na kagad magkano yung talo mo. Example ako, willing out to risk $50 here, willing out to risk $50, $60, $40 here, I'm willing to risk so pay ba ako dito? Saan yung isa? Yung Novavax. I'm willing to risk $120 here. Not $320. Magkano ba to? Magkano ba pwede kayo patalo dito from the risk reward natin? 50, 120, $60 to $70 as well. So, wala patis. Ito pa sa half niya. So, itinin natin ngayon kung ano niya, hold it na siya. TP na, GBP. Oh. Tapos na. Kanina pa yan. Sobra-sobra na nga yung TP ko dyan eh. GBP, JPY. Tapos na yan, kanina pa yan eh, no? Inubos ko na yung sa akin. Congrats. Diba? Tinipid ko na yung sa akin, ilang positions to. Ito na yung sa akin sa GBP. So, check nyo na lang. Also, guys, would like to invite everyone that take chance. No? I-maximize nyo that Izanagi is still free. Okay? While it's still free, please i-maximize nyo na to. This is an automated robot that you can actually on the grabs. Just gonna put a capital. Si Izanagi na will manage your account in general. So, last year we put 60,000, 70,000. It went as high as 200,000 pesos in profit. Hindi ko pa wini-withdraw kasi this is a story that I want to tell to everyone. That this is fully automated with proper risk management but very high risk strategy. So please check it out here on wiseinvestorsph.com. Ayan, while it's free. For those who are waiting na may binil na mga nag-subscribe, nag-apply, we're just waiting for your servers. Check nyo lang to. We're just waiting for the server to arrive. I think malami din gusto pwede nang magkaroon ng installation. And last but not the least, okay, if you wanted to learn yung mga Chidori stocks natin, yung mga price action natin, okay, you can actually learn from me when it comes to the stock trading here. The batch is now open for this one. So our EOS batch for trading masterclass, I'm gonna teach you different techniques in our stock trading. Yan, isa rin yan. And then, yan, sa dito. What you can learn from me is a few things. So, here, let me just show you. Yan. So, I'm gonna teach you the basic foundations of price action. Risk management is one of the most important that I want to focus on this topic here. Also, the multiple techniques that you can enjoy with. And of course, no, yung mga pwede mo matutunan dyan. And some indicators na ginagamit natin like moving average and all. Of course, our signature techniques, Kage Bunshin, Rasengan technique, and some long-term investing na pwede mong gawin, no? Yan ang makikita na dyan. So, definitely, please do. Check this out. I'm gonna open na to this coming end of January or third week of January. Magsa-start na to. Check out. Or PM on the page. How much yung course natin dyan. Okay? So, it's 11:09 in the evening. Our port is bloody red. Okay? Expected naman. But we're still actually at 9,000 range. We're still at 9,000 range here. Kung titingnan din natin here. Watch list is here. Our home is still di naman tayo bumababa sa bagsak pero kung titingnan mo, still up by this year. YTD we're down by almost 2%. Okay, in the past 12 months we're up by 46% from last year to last year. Grabe ka shake din. Buti na lang binabawi ni Tesla, naka-short ako kay Tesla. Ayun nagbigay ng profit sa atin. So I'm waiting for the bounce trades to happen. Kung later, if meron kayong makita further, just heads me up. Okay? Tingnan natin kung mag-breakdown to further on more. Especially for Novavax or mRNA. So it's actually near the support. Near the support na to. The volume is decreasing. Possible mag-spike down na yan or mag-reverse. Ang isa din yan na conviction natin dito guys is we're actually waiting. Hindi, na-close pala yung mga gap before. Yan. Alright. So that's it for tonight. I'm gonna see you again tomorrow. next natin na live trading, check out our Elite Club masterclass natin. And by the way guys, I'm gonna send you the Telegram para makakuha kayo ng mga free na mga free na mga trade calls. Yan, mga free na trade calls. Mga free na trade calls dito tayo. Yan. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo yan. Yan. Yan, mga free trade calls natin dito. Kung titingnan mo dito. Yan. So, another yan. Ito, may zoom in natin yan. Yun. Yan. So, one thing here that you can actually, like ito dito. Si Gold, kanina, in-announce natin 449. Tinamaan ng TP2. Oh, TP2, tinamaan natin kanina dito. Another one is NCD CAD. And Shadow Technique Port. Pinakita din natin Shadow Technique Port from $500 when as a size $1,000 in profit. No, in profit using the Shadow Technique. So dito din nagbibigay din tayo ng Shadow Technique katulad ni JBP JPY katulad kanina. Na-announce din natin 'yan and last night for Tesla. And when I shorting also the US 100. So, sinasabi natin dito yan, please join this one para meron kayong up-to-date what's happening in the community. Yan. Free lang po ang mga trade calls. Every Tuesday and Thursday. Yan. Alright. So, that's gonna be tonight's live session here. I'm gonna see you again tomorrow on another session natin yan. At 9:30 p.m. here. Hopefully, bumalik na yung no? Bumalik na yung DST. Masyado kasing late yung ganitong oras, no? So with that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice night. God bless and always take care.